Hey guys, it's Andrea. I'm back with another Deadbolt Mystery Society box. This one's theme is Duel. This box was sent to me for review. It is $29.99. I'll link down below the link to Crackjoy if you want to sign up and try it out. It's like Clue for grown-ups. It's mystery boxes. You're like a private investigator. There's been some kind of crime. It's been murders in the ones I've seen so far. And you've got to figure out who done it by working out puzzles, putting together clues, reviewing the evidence. You use the internet a lot with it. It's got like QR codes that you scan with your smartphone camera. I didn't even know it did that. You just aim it at the QR code and it automatically scans it and brings up the web page. They taught me something new about my phone. We have this little bag of clues. I've been really enjoying this subscription. Team Vote Now Bishop. Team Vote Now Serpent. They're buttons. This will have a bunch of clues. This has all the puzzles. This has like your suspect list and your statements you've collected. You're supposed to read through everything, do every puzzle. There is a hint line that you can pull up if you need to on the internet. They give you the address to. They've got Facebook groups where people go together and talk about the clues to try to work them out. They always send a collector's card with each box that has the theme. Anubis. That's really cool. All right, we've got, looks like a painting of, I'm thinking this is William Shakespeare. So it looks like to me, I could be totally wrong. Let's see. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. William Shakespeare, I was right. There's some symbol on there too. That's probably a clue. Picture of a sphinx with a Genesis quote on the back that I'm sure is another clue. Sal's Exotic Fish and Pets. There's a business card with a bunch of random numbers on the back. There's obviously some kind of puzzle and clue that I'll have to figure out. You got to use your brain for this. Breaking news. Looks like you do that. There's a QR code. A lot of times when you scan it, the QR codes, so you got to put a password in, and that password is like the answer of one of the puzzles that's in the box. Well, especially when times like we're all home, you know, instead of doing just like a crossword puzzle or something, do like something like this and challenge your brain. This tells you all about the box and how to do it, and web pages and QR codes and Facebook groups and all that stuff. Tells you all about it. All right, let's go looking through all our clues. Got this weird thing with a write-up on the back. Okay. There's your beginning brief from the police. Tells you about the case and what mystery you're trying to solve, what you've gathered so far. Scorecard, tally points for each killer. A lot of this stuff, when you first pull it out, it's like a total mystery and it makes no sense, but it does as you go along, figuring out the clues and the puzzles and entering the passwords and getting even more information that's interactive online. There's a map, dead drops, it says. Where is the Scourge meeting being held? QR code on that, QR code on this telephone number pad, or Not a telephone, it's a lock. Detective notes. There's a victim. There's a body. This is the victim. This is the circumstances of the body and stuff when they found them. You gotta read all that. There's a letter from Benjamin Baker of the Will Street Detective Agency. Already you can see a puzzle on there we gotta do. Valley Falls Police. Names and order of witnesses to David's death who were telling the truth. Oh my gosh. QR code, we gotta put that in there. QR code in this picture of flowers and water. There's a lot of stuff in this one. There's some kind of mysterious code there. Look, there's a weird symbol. That's something we probably need to look out for that might be on other clues. Interview number 2, Igor. It's like a witness or suspect statement or something. Egyptian hieroglyphics. I'm sure we'll have to decipher that and vote for the red bishop. Cast your votes. Voting posters for their campaigns. Interview number 1, Chief. Why do you keep hassling me? Detective notes for a victim. Another victim? There's more than one victim. Duel rules. I can already tell this is gonna be a doozy. Victim number 4. The red bishop. There's a write-up on the back. There's some people in there. There's a QR code with a puzzle in the back, coordinates. The serpent. License plate of victim. You got to figure that out and put it there for a password. And the winner is the last card in here. Solved all the puzzles and ready to solve the box. Enter the loser's first and last name. That's where you put your answer after you've figured it out. Done all your puzzles. I'm so excited about these boxes. What did you guys say? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you like to watch them. And I think I told you I've got giveaways going on. I don't remember. I do. I'll link them down below if you want to sign up. See you at the next one.